Apple has done it again. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is finally here, and it's packed with groundbreaking features, an all-new design, and some of the most powerful tech we've ever seen in a smartphone. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, from its stunning display and advanced camera system to its mind-blowing performance and battery life. Stay with us till the end as we compare it with its rivals and help you decide whether it's the perfect upgrade for you. Design and build quality. Starting off with the design, Apple has taken things to a whole new level. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features an aerospace-grade titanium frame, making it even lighter and more durable than its predecessor. The back panel is made from a new nano-textured glass that not only looks stunning, but also improves grip and reduces fingerprints. Apple has also minimized the bezels further, giving us an almost all-screen front with the same dynamic island, but now featuring an under-display Face ID system. And for those who love variety, the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in 4 premium colors: Midnight Titanium, Arctic Blue, Sunset Gold, and Graphite Black. Chapter 2. Display. When it comes to the display, Apple never disappoints. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sports a massive 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. The refresh rate dynamically shifts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling while saving battery. And with a peak brightness of 3000 nits, outdoor visibility is simply unmatched. HDR content looks stunning, and Apple has introduced a new AI-driven color calibration that automatically adjusts tones to match your environment. Performance and chipset. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's most powerful chip yet, the A19 Bionic, built on a 3nm plus process. This means better power efficiency, up to 30% faster performance than the A17 Pro, and an insane GPU that rivals some gaming consoles. Apple has also upgraded the neural engine, making AI-driven tasks like real-time voice translation and image enhancement even faster. And for gamers, the iPhone 17 Pro Max supports ray tracing, ensuring console-quality graphics in mobile gaming. Camera system. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a revolutionary quad camera setup. The primary sensor is now a 200-megapixel sensor with sensor shift stabilization, capturing stunning details and improved low-light performance. The periscope telephoto lens now supports up to 10 times optical zoom and an astonishing 100 times digital zoom. Apple has also refined its night mode, making night photography clearer and more vibrant than ever before. And for videographers, Apple has introduced 8K ProRes video recording, bringing cinema-grade quality right to your pocket. Battery life and charging. Battery life has always been a crucial factor, and Apple has finally addressed one of the biggest concerns. The iPhone 17 Pro Max houses a 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. With the efficiency of the A18 chip, this phone easily lasts over 10 hours of screen-on time. Charging speeds have also improved with 45-watt wired charging and 30-watt MagSafe wireless charging. And yes, reverse wireless charging is finally here, allowing you to charge your AirPods or another iPhone on the go. Software and new features. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces several AI-driven features. The Siri AI has been completely revamped, offering real-time language translation, on-device automation, and even AI-generated text replies. Apple has also improved security with Quantum Shield, a next-gen encryption system protecting your personal data like never before. Comparison with competitors. So, how does the iPhone 17 Pro Max stack up against the competition? Compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Apple's latest flagship has an edge in software optimization and AI features, but Samsung still holds the lead in zoom capabilities and stylus support. The Google Pixel 9 Pro, on the other hand, shines with its computational photography and stock Android experience, but Apple's performance and ecosystem integration give it an undeniable advantage. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro Max worth it? If you're looking for top-tier performance, unmatched camera quality, and an ever-evolving iOS experience, this is the phone to beat. However, with a starting price of $1,399, it's a hefty investment. But for Apple enthusiasts and those who want the best iPhone experience, the 17 Pro Max is undoubtedly a game-changer. That wraps up our full review of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. What are your thoughts on this incredible device? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews.